Nice to meet you. Du's handle the marketing. This is
Hi, I'm
Rupesh.
Liann and Henry, we're just so happy to have you here with us today. I'm sure that when you started this journey with us to purchase a new home, you didn't know that you were going to be the 2000th homeowners. And we didn't either, because it's based on homes being delivered, not homes that are started. And so you are the literal 2000th home purchaser, one that's moved in. You're a homeowner. Anyway, congratulations. We're sure glad to have you here today. We're kind of excited about to see what you're going to select and what you're going to do with this shopping spree.
I'm not going to take much of your time here. So you get 2,000 seconds. That's roughly around half an hour. And you get to choose whatever you want, courtesy greengate, up to a value of $3,000. The shopping carts are right there. On our mark, you'll be all set. But before that, because this was a surprise for you, we'll have Karen and Alyssa, and they'll just kind of walk you through the store so that you make up your mind. And then once the time starts, you get 33.33 minutes to go all out.
Trees or bushes in the corner, some, what do you call them, aspens, kind of in the middle.
Okay. So let's head to that tree lot section. What's that, Alyssa? Shrubs.
Okay.
In here.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
And congratulations.
Thank you.
Good luck. Okay,
You're right.
go.
And then we want the 3 of the aspens. And I want one of the yellow red things, Henry. You can grab, the smaller one. So we did 3 or 4 of the, okay. Oh, we didn't do the hydrangeas. Okay. The tree things. I got one of the, Henry, why are you not pushing? I don't know. Height. Not very big, okay? Do we have everything we want here?
1 Miss Kim lilac.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the perennials. You got one? Oh, and then we're gonna do that one. Anything else you'd recommend? Like,
So this is really pretty. It doesn't flower.
okay.
What kind of tomato do you like? Or early girls are good. Lettuce.
And like lots of basil, Henry. We should get a cactus, actually. How many ducks are you getting? More color, like the one right, like that
This one? Maybe 3?
We need
3?
6, right?
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Sprinkler wouldn't be a bad idea, yeah.
Small tools.
Okay.
That's cute.
Yeah. Why don't we get another rose bush and
You have 422. You have $100 extra. Go.
nice. What are we getting? Whoa! Don't want to hurt the gnome. Are we at 100? Yeah.
You're done? You did it? Hey! Congratulations.
Thank you.
Way to go. Good job, Henry. Hey.
Oh, yeah, that's all our stuff. Cheapers.
So you had a $3,000 shopping spree, a greengate.
Yeah,
What did you buy?
everything. Like, everything from trees to cactus, bushes, which are my favorite. Cactus, which Henry really wanted, the cactus. We bought some fun, like dog, because we have dogs, and Henry loves birds, so he got some bird stuff. So fern, we got everything. We got pots, yeah.
Cool pink plant.
Yeah, the cool pink plant. So yeah, this is a great song. So it says, warning, our dog flunked out of obedience school, which is very true for both our dogs.
So Greengate is going to coordinate having all this delivered too.
Fantastic,
So,
thank you.
We really appreciate that too. Thank you, everybody. And now we're going to go take it to the till, right?